Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to use TikTok transitions. Let's get started. Firstly, we can go ahead and log into our TikTok account. And once we are here, we can go ahead and click the plus sign here. Once we are here, we can go ahead and record the video then. So just like for example like this. And once everything is set, then we can go ahead and click the check mark. So just like for example, like right after that, we're going to click this one. And if you notice, we have here effects. We're going to click this. And basically, we're going to move this. And we can notice here transition. We're going to click this one. And basically, we can now go ahead and choose any transition that we wish to apply. So just like for example, this one. And we can also drag this, wherein we can position the transition that we wish to use. So just like for example, this one. So another thing, we can drag this one again and use this. And another one, just like for example, this one. So basically, you can just play around and make use of your creativity in creating transition on your video. With that, we can go ahead and double check in terms of our transition. So we can click this, and then by the way, we can also lengthen the transition then. So just like for example, this one, and we can also lengthen this one. So at this point, we can go ahead and try to play our video. So just like for example, this. All right, so once everything is set, then we can go ahead and click save. And right after that, we're going to click next. And by this time, we can go ahead and input our hashtag. So just like for example, hashtag life and whatever hashtag that you wish to put. And once everything is set, then we can go ahead and click post. So basically, the video was already posted. So that's how we are going to use transitions on our TikTok video. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.